Number 7, this Hamilton Beach Walk and Cut electric can opener is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. Boasting a stylish black color and made of durable plastic, this product is built to last. The easy clean removable blade makes maintenance a breeze, allowing users to keep it in top condition effortlessly. At just 3.9 W into 3.8 H and a mere 0.01 ounces, this can opener is compact and lightweight, perfect for any kitchen space. With its automatic operation mode, this can opener takes the hassle out of opening cans, making it a time-saving and convenient tool for any household. Its 4.2 out of 5-star customer rating from 5,605 reviews speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. Additionally, it is ranked #5 in electric can openers, demonstrating its popularity and quality within the market. The Hamilton Beach Walk and Cut electric can opener is a product that combines functionality with style, making it a must-have for every kitchen.